Hello friends, welcome back to the tutorial lab. Today in this video I am going to show you how to buy or sell something on Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace is becoming popular to Facebook users. You can buy and sell anything on Facebook Marketplace. To buy something on Facebook Marketplace, you can send a message to the seller to arrange the sale. Let's open Facebook. From here, tap your profile icon from top right corner and then tap on Marketplace. This is Facebook Marketplace. Here you can scroll up and down to find your desired product, or from the search icon on the top right corner you can search your desired product to buy from Facebook. Let's open a product, and here in the message field you can type your message and tap send to the seller. This way you can send message to the seller and buy a product from Facebook. Now let's learn how to sell an item on Facebook Marketplace. To sell an item from Facebook Marketplace, again let's go to the Facebook Marketplace. If you don't find Facebook Marketplace, tap on See More. Then you will find Facebook Marketplace. Open Facebook Marketplace. Tap Sell on the top right corner. Then tap Items. Here, add photo of your item. Tap here and it will guide you to your gallery. You can also use your camera to click the photo. And now enter the information about your product. Here, tap the title and then tap the price. Then select the category. Here you will find a lot of categories. Select your proper category and your product condition. Is it new, used, like new, used good, used fair. Select the exact proper quality so that your buyer can get the real information. To mark an item as free, you can enter 0 as the price. If you don't want to share this product to your Facebook friends, tap the toggle Hide from Friends. Facebook will hide this listing to your friends. If you want to list this product in other places, tap here. You can add this to many other groups. Tap Done. Additional listing option. By this, you can set the availability of this item. If you have any offer, you can set this from here. You can also set the meetup preferences. After completing the information, you will find a Publish button in the top right corner. Tap Publish to post your marketplace listing. Then the buyer will knock you in Messenger. Contact them and sell your product. Friends, that was our today's video. By this way you can buy and sell something on Facebook Marketplace. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.